For this problem, there's two pieces of shrapnel that are flying at -20 meters per second, one flying directly south and one flying directly west. And the third piece is double of the mass of those two pieces and is going in an unknown direction. And in order to find its speed and its direction, we need to realize that the initial momentum is equal to the final momentum. And you can set up that equation where it's the mass times the velocity of each moving piece, the initial and the final equal to the final of each fragment. Eventually you're able to derive this equation where the velocity of that third piece is going to be equal to the negative velocity of the second piece times the piece going in the x direction over 2. Since u is -20, you plug in -20 and you get 10 meters per second. That will be the same for the y direction as well, since both pieces are of equal speed. So the y direction and the x direction of the piece will be moving at 10 meters per second. But that does not tell us the exact speed, so we need to solve for that speed by using the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. You plug in your values where the final velocity is equal to 10 squared plus 10 squared, and the square root of that is going to be 14.14 meters per second. To find the direction of that shrapnel, you need to take the tangent of that triangle because tangent is equal to the opposite over the adjacent sides. And so when you plug in 10 over 10 and solve for theta, you get 45 degrees.